Which Caribbean athletes stole the spotlight at the 2026 World Athletics U20 Championships in Eugene, Oregon? From a historic Jamaican sprint showdown to a country's first World Under-20 medal in 14 years, this year's championship delivered 5 days of jaw-dropping performances. Tracktown, USA in Eugene, Oregon was served with 5 consecutive days of track and field, and the athletes did not disappoint. This year's edition of the event saw the United States at the top of the medal tally with 12 golds, 7 silvers, and 5 bronze medals, while Jamaica was the top Caribbean country with a total of 2 golds, 3 silvers, and 3 bronze medals. But the medal count only tells half of the story. The Caribbean showed up and showed out at Hayward Field. Here are the top 5 Caribbean performances from the championship, counting down to number 1. Let's get started with number 5, Tiana Springer's brilliant 400-meter bronze medal. Guyana's Tiana Springer was already having a breakout season in the 400-meter, having won her 3rd consecutive 400-meter CaribFocus Games title in April, and now competing on the NCAA circuit for the University of Georgia. Tiana Springer entered the championship as a medal contender and was determined not to leave empty-handed. In the girls' 400-meter final, Tiana Springer ran a strategic race and held on for the bronze medal in a time of 51.76 seconds, finishing behind Poland's Anastasia Kuz and American Ataja Stephanie Vasquez, making it Guyana's only medal at the championship, but a historic one, ending the country's 14-year wait for a World Under-20 podium finish. Moving on to number 4, Gary Card's run for 100-meter silver. The boys' 100-meter was shaping up to be a Jamaica versus the United States battle royale. Throughout the rounds, both Jamaica's Gary Card and Tate Taylor of the United States looked the most comfortable. Tate Taylor seemed to be running with a lot more energy, and most fans gave Gary Card the edge come time for the final. In the final, Tate Taylor got the best start and never let it go, but no one was there to catch him as he crossed the line in a personal best of 9.94 seconds, and Gary Card earned the silver medal in 10.05 seconds to become the first Jamaican man since Buaji and Krumi to earn a medal in the 100-meter at the World Under-20 Championship. At number 3, we have Shanoya Douglas's silver in the 100-meter. The girls' 100-meter was quite a heated event, with Jamaica's Shanoya Douglas facing off with the Maxwell twins, Mia and Maria from the United States. Throughout the rounds, Mia Maxwell and Shanoya Douglas were the better athletes, and most fans gave Shanoya Douglas the edge to win because she had run 10.98 seconds at the Jamaican High School Championships in March. Come finals time, Mia Maxwell got the best start and never looked back. Shanoya Douglas fought hard and took the silver medal with 11.17 seconds. By the way, if you're enjoying this countdown, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us bring you more Caribbean sports coverage. Thank you. Up next at number 2, dominant goal for the Jamaican girls 4x100 meter team. Leading up to the event, it was being dubbed as another Jamaica versus the United States showdown, but the United States did not make it out the first round, instantly making Jamaica the overwhelming favorite for gold. The quartet of Sashana Johnson, Tiana Lee Terrelong, Natrice East, and anchor Shanoya Douglas put on a clinic in the 4x100 meter final. Douglas brought Jamaica home in a World Under-20 lead of 42.89 seconds to win the country's 4th consecutive gold medal in the event. And now at number 1, Michael Andre Edwards triple jump gold in final leap. The boys' triple jump was quite an entertaining competition, and Jamaica's Michael Andre Edwards put on a show. Throughout the competition, he was battling Miles Nesmith of the United States, and neither athlete wanted to give up. But it came down to one last jump for Michael Andre Edwards, who leaped a personal best and World Under-20 lead of 17.08 meters to capture the only individual Caribbean gold medal of the championship, a jump he later said he never saw coming. 5 days, 5 events, one unmistakable message: Caribbean athletics is only getting started. These young stars already gave us goosebumps in Eugene, and if this is what they look like at 18 and 19, the future of Caribbean track and field is in great hands. The athletes who competed at the 2026 World Athletics U20 Championship will now go off on their break, with their sights already set on returning even stronger in 2027. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these 5 Caribbean performances was your favorite? And which athlete are you most excited to watch at the next CaribFocus Games? Drop your answers in the comments below. Also, check out our video on Top 10 Caribbean Track and Field Moments from Commonwealth Games 2026. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with a fellow track fan. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a Caribbean sports story. This is CaribFocus Sports, and we'll see you in the next video.